Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to monitor a website with Nagios XI. Monitoring a website with Nagios XI ensures uptime, performance, and security by detecting problems such as downtime, slow server response time, slow loading times, SSL expiration, or even server failures. Real-time alerts help resolve problems quickly, minimizing disruptions, and protecting user experience. Come on, let's dive right into today's tutorial. The first step we want to take when on Nagios XI is go onto the left-hand side, hover over the gearbox icon, and click on Configuration Wizards. From here, we can use the search bar and search up website. And we want to make sure that the wizard that we're using is website and not website defacement or website URL. So we can click on the website configuration wizard. And then here, you can enter your URL that you are monitoring. So for today, I'm just going to do nagios.com. I'm going to click next. And then here we have a bunch of different settings. So now we can choose our host name to specify what it will show up in Nagios XI. I'm going to leave it default just so I know exactly what website it is. Beneath this, we have our IP address that is associated with the website. And then here we can either check SSL certificate or we can keep that off. This also checks HTTP. I'm going to check this as well, just for demo purposes. Again, this is all up to whatever you want to do. And then beneath we have the port. Here we have on redirect, so whenever the website redirects, then you will either get a notification and or a threshold notification. So the default is OK, but you can either do OK, warning, critical, follow, sticky, and then sticky port. Beneath here we have some credentials, so if you want some basic authentication, then you're more than welcome to do that as well. And then lastly on this page, we have the website services that we're able to monitor. So for example, we have HTTP, ping, DNS resolution, DNS IP match, web page content if there is a page content string, and the web page regular expression. The default are these four that are checked, and I think that these four are the most important. Depending on what you want to monitor and or are monitoring, I'm going to leave these two unchecked for demo purposes. And I believe that my page is fully configured to what I want it to look like. So I'm going to click next. Here we have some check interval thresholds. So under normal circumstances, Nagios XI will monitor the host and service every 5 minutes. If it's something more critical, then we recommend lowering this time to something like 2 or 3 minutes. Beneath, we have when a potential problem is first detected, Nagios XI will recheck the host and service every 1 minute, up to 5 times before sending a notification. Similar to this top threshold, we recommend changing the 5 to a lower number, such as 2 or 3, if it's something more critical. We can click next when this page is configured. Here we have notification settings. The default notifications on Nagios XI are to send a notification immediately, but you're more than able to go through this page and change everything that you want to. I'm going to leave it default as send a notification immediately. I'm going to scroll down and click next. Here we have some desired host groups. I'm going to leave this default for demo purposes. And then now we can just finish and apply. It might take a second for it to configure. And then awesome. So our website wizard configured correctly. And if you want to make sure that it's up and running, then we can do view status details for Nagios XI. And then it's going to take a second for this to turn green. When this turns green, and then when all these say OK, so for example, you're able to ping the website right now. HTTP is pending, DNS resolution is pending, and the DNS IP match is pending. It might take a little bit for it to fully configure, but when it configures, this will turn green. You'll have an OK, warning, or critical for all of these, and then you are officially monitoring your website. And there you go. You're now monitoring your desired website using Nagios XI. For any more support or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment any more videos you'd like to see or tutorials you'd like to see on our products. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring.